Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if your space bar is controlling the volume on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this issue can occur due to a corrupted keyboard driver and a conflicting third-party startup app or a service. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to turn off sticky case. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, and then dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung accessibility. So itap mo lang yan. At dito sa right side, scroll down and then i-locate lang natin dito yung keyboard. So under dito sa interactions ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung keyboard. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa keyboard and sticky filter and toggles key, so kailangan natin i-turn off itong sticky case. So dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-turn off. And then dito naman sa kanyang filter keys ay kailangan din natin itong i-turn off. Alright, so dito sa right side, i-turn off natin yan. Okay. So once na-turn off na natin dito sa sticky case, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reinstall and update your keyboard driver. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to right-click on a start menu and select mo lang dito yung device manager. And once na-open mo na itong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung keyboards. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan lang natin i-reinstall yung ating keyboard driver and i-update. Kung paano ba yan natin i-reinstall, so dito lang sa ating keyboard driver ay select and right-click. And then, kailangan mo lang ditong i-uninstall. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. And then, pagkatapos mo ma-uninstall, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart dito sa start menu and click mo lang yan. So, after ka makapag-restart, and then next step, so kailangan natin i-update yung ating keyboard driver. So, same procedures, dito lang sa start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-right-click and select mo lang dito yung device manager. And once na-open mo na ulit dito yung device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung keyboard. So, click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa ating keyboard driver ay kailangan natin i-update. So, select and right-click. And then itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin. Like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung search automatically. So, click mo lang yan and wait natin. So, the best drivers for your device are already installed. So, after dito sa device manager, and then close lang natin. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart ulit. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix spacebar is controlling the volume on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.